Okay, let me ask you one question. Last time I saw you in Davos, you said something very provocative. President Trump had talked at one point about the U.S., or rather China, stealing jobs from the U.S. And you said that was the strategy. By the leaders of the U.S. President Trump has tried to change that. I'm curious whether you think he's been successful. We have tax policy that he's trying to put through. What do you make of what's happening in the United States?
Well, I think the Americans also should have a patience. You know, you may do not agree with him. When he say, I want to do this, he's been president for only 1 year or something. He can never achieve something within 1 year. At least he's trying. And for me, I think the China is not stealing jobs. We are creating a lot of jobs. A lot of companies succeed in China. Starbucks did excellent in China. You know, Microsoft did excellent in China. IBM did excellent in China. And we do not see a lot of Chinese companies did excellent in the States. So we should work together.
Right.